Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my May Boxycharm. And this box, I heard a lot of people talk about how weird it is. It is. Look how tiny. Really weird. But the first thing we have is the card. So it looks like, and that's everything we got on the back. First thing I have is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Face Wash. And this is what it looks like. And really, it doesn't have a scent, but I think it does say unscented somewhere maybe. I don't know. Yeah. Scent free. Fragrance free. Right there at the top. Okay. So I got that. The next thing I got, which made this box 100% worth it to me because I wanted this lipstick. I wanted it so bad. It was the Dose of Colors Lazy Daisy. It's actually the color I'm wearing now. That's what it looks like. Now see, this is my kind of colors. This is what I like. It's what it looks like. And it is very pigmented. Very, very pigmented. Like I did all this with just one dip. It's crazy. Okay, the next thing I got was the Eyeliner Creme eyeshadow by Ciate London and the color Cupid. And that's what it looks like. Looks kind of purpley in the tube, but once you put it on, it doesn't look purpley anymore, which I'm not wearing it now, but I did put it on my hand. But that is what it looks like. It kind of shifts from like the purple to the gold, but then if you mix it in, it kind of just turns to glittery. There's no purple at all. It's just gold glitter. So it's pretty cool. I will try it. And the next thing I got was the Bodyography Emerald eyeliner. And honestly, I kind of like this. Just like with last month's Ipsy, that blue eyeshadow. I kind of like this. It's really pretty, I think. And then the last thing I got was the Alamar Cosmetics palette. Blush palette. And I couldn't find... Oh, Fair Light. That's what I got. Was the one for Fair to Light Skin. And those are the colors. I got Castaway, Parasol, and Scorcher. And I will swatch them. Okay, I'm not going to be able to use that finger. It's got glitter all over it. Okay, that's Scorcher, Perio, and Castaway. They're super pretty. I'm actually wearing Perio, I think, on right now. Yeah. I'm actually wearing that one now. So, it is very subtle, but I really like it. It is super creamy. Blended very well. Really liked it. But anyways, that is all that I got in my Boxycharm box. If you're interested in Boxycharm, I will leave my link in the description below. But I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!